We're going to install the carb and the things associated with it. Here's the ring that goes inside the intake. This goes on the outside of the intake. Like so. I think we're ready for the carb now. So we've blowed all this out with compressed air. We've removed our limiter caps. So I believe you rotate this shaft to wide open throttle. And it goes right on. Also have our carb guide that goes with that. This may be a bit difficult. See how this goes. I do think that's correct. Go to wide open throttle and it goes together a little easier. Try not to get my head in the way so much. I believe we can plug that in later. My trusty screwdriver here just to help a little bit. So I'm at wide open throttle, and we try to lift that linkage up so that it engages. There we go. I hope you guys caught that. So rotate your butterfly to wide open throttle, and I just kind of slip that linkage under it so it's in. There's our choke actuation. Fast idle, all that's working, and then we'll plug this back in. Sometimes that can be difficult to get it to stick. Went just fine. Okay. I'll refer to this as the carb base. Blowed all that out with compressed air, and we'll go to full choke right here with that. That goes on there like that right there. Thinking there. And this is referred to as an air horn. That's how that goes. And then our little 8mm nuts. Gently snugging this stuff up a little at a time. So at this point, as long as our piston's at top dead center, we don't have to fool with stuff in a sock in there to keep the bugs and whatnots out. So we got our intake side buttoned up now. Alright, that went very well. Everything works good. Alright, there's that. Thank you for watching.